Web3 is a term used to describe the vision of a decentralized internet that prioritizes user privacy, security, and control over personal data. It aims to replace traditional centralized systems with peer-to-peer networks, where users have ownership and control over their digital assets and interactions. Web3 technologies, such as blockchain and smart contracts, enable this vision by providing transparent, tamper-proof, and trustless platforms for building decentralized applications. Web3 represents a paradigm shift from the current web model, where centralized entities like tech giants have significant control over user data and online experiences. By leveraging blockchain technology, Web3 aims to create a more democratic and inclusive internet ecosystem. Web3 has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of the cultural world, including art, music, gaming, publishing, social media, and so on. Here are some ways in which Web3 can impact art, for example. Web3 enables artists to tokenize their creations using non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which represent unique digital assets on the blockchain. NFTs provide provenance, scarcity, and ownership rights for digital artworks, allowing artists to monetize their creations directly without intermediaries. Additionally, decentralized marketplace powered by Web3 facilitate peer-to-peer art trading and enable artists to receive fair compensation for their work. Web3 empowers artists by providing them with new avenues for monetization, ownership, and creative expression. It challenges the traditional art market by removing gatekeepers and enabling direct interactions between artists and collectors. About music, Web3 allows musicians to tokenize their music and sell it directly to fans, eliminating the need for record labels or streaming platforms. Smart contracts can automate royalty payments, ensuring that artists receive fair compensation for their work. Moreover, decentralized music platforms powered by Web3 enable fans to support their favorite artists directly and participate in the music creation process also. Web3 disrupts the music industry by creating a more equitable and transparent ecosystem for artists and fans. It enables direct artist-fan interactions, eliminates intermediaries, and ensures fair compensations for creators. Web3 revolutionizes the gaming industry also by introducing true ownership of in-game assets through NFTs. Players can buy, sell, and trade digital items across different games, creating a vibrant secondary market. Additionally, blockchain-based games powered by Web3 offer provable fairness, player-driven economies, and decentralized governance models. Web3 transforms gaming into a more immersive and player-centric experience. It enables players to truly own their in-game assets and participate in the development of virtual worlds. In publishing, Web3 challenges traditional publishing models by enabling content creators to monetize their work directly through micropayments or subscription using cryptocurrencies. Blockchain-based platforms ensure transparency, copyright protections, and fair revenue distribution among creators. Moreover, decentralized social media platforms powered by Web3 prioritize user privacy and give individuals control over their data. The impact of Web3 on cultural organizations such as museums, theaters, libraries, and cinemas can be significant and transformative. Web3 technologies have the potential to greatly enhance the accessibility and global reach of cultural organizations. Through decentralized platforms and protocols, these organizations can reach audiences beyond their physical locations. For example, museums can digitize their collections and make them available online through decentralized platforms, allowing people from all over the world to explore and engage with their exhibits. Theaters can live stream performances to a global audience, reaching people who may not have the opportunity to attend in person. Libraries can provide access to digital books and resources to users worldwide. Cinemas can distribute independent films directly to viewers without relying on traditional distribution channels. Web3 technologies enable the creation of immutable records and provenance for cultural artifacts. Blockchain technology allows for the creation of tamper-proof digital certificates that verify the authenticity and ownership of artworks, historical artifacts, or rare books. This can help combat issues such as art forgery or stolen cultural heritage by providing a transparent and verifiable record of an item's history. Cultural organizations can leverage these technologies to ensure that the integrity of their collections and build trust with their audiences. Web3 introduces the concept of tokenization, which allows for the fractional ownership of assets through digital tokens. Cultural organizations can tokenize their assets, such as artworks or rare manuscripts, enabling individuals to own a fraction of these items. This opens up new possibilities for funding and revenue generation for cultural organizations. Token holders can participate in the governance of these organizations, have voting rights on the decisions, and potentially receive dividends or other benefits. This model can help cultural organizations become more financially sustainable and engage their audiences in a more meaningful way. Web3 technologies enable decentralized curation and collaboration among cultural organizations. Decentralized platforms can facilitate the sharing of resources, knowledge, and expertise among museums, theaters, libraries, and cinemas. For example, museums can collaborate on virtual exhibitions, pooling their collections to create a more comprehensive and diverse experience for visitors. Libraries can share digital resources and collaborate on digitization projects. Theaters can collaborate on co-productions or share best practices in audience engagement. Cinemas can collaborate on film programming or share distribution networks. These collaborations can lead to new opportunities for innovation, creativity, and audience engagement. Web3 technologies prioritize user privacy and data security. With Web3, users have more control over their personal data and digital identities. Cultural organizations can leverage these technologies to ensure the privacy and security of their users' data, building trust with their audiences. For example, museums can use decentralized identity solutions to provide visitors with secure digital tickets or memberships without compromising their personal information. Libraries can implement privacy-preserving technologies to protect the reading habits and preferences of their users. Theaters can use blockchain-based ticketing systems to prevent fraud and scalping. Web3, like any technological advancement, also brings along certain negative impacts that need to be considered. One of the primary concerns with Web3 is the potential for centralization and consolidation of power. While Web3 aims to decentralize control and empower individuals, there is a risk that a few dominant platforms or entities could emerge and control a significant portion of cultural production. This concentration of power could limit diversity and creativity by favoring mainstream or popular content over niche or unconventional forms of expressions. Furthermore, as Web3 relies on blockchain technology, which requires significant computational resources and energy consumption, it may lead to an increased concentration of power in the hands of those who can afford the necessary infrastructure. This could create barriers to entry for smaller artists or creators who lack the resources to participate fully in Web3 cultural production. Web3 introduces new challenges regarding intellectual property rights and ownership. With decentralized platforms and smart contracts, it becomes more difficult to enforce copyright laws and protect original works. While blockchain technology can provide transparency and traceability, it also enables easy replication and distribution of digital assets without proper authorization or compensation for creators. Moreover, the rise of non-fungible tokens, the NFTs, in Web3 has sparked debates around ownership and authenticity. While NFTs offer new opportunities for artists to monetize their work directly, they also raise concerns about the commodification of art and the potential of exploitation. The ease with which digital assets can be tokenized and traded may devalue artistic creations by reducing them to mere financial assets. Web3's decentralized nature challenges traditional gatekeepers and intermediaries, which can be both positive and negative for cultural production. While it allows for greater democratization and accessibility, it also raises concerns about quality control and curation. Without centralized authorities or trusted curators, it becomes challenging to ensure the authenticity, accuracy, and reliability of content. In a decentralized web, misinformation, fake news, and low-quality content can proliferate more easily. The absence of gatekeepers may make it difficult for audiences to distinguish between reliable sources and unreliable ones. This could undermine the credibility of cultural production and hinder the development of a shared understanding of cultural discourse. Fortunately, institutional initiatives such as the Mondiacult 2022 Declaration for Culture and the EU Artificial Intelligence Act have the potential to reshape the cultural sector's perspective in a digital context. These initiatives recognize the transformative power of technology, particularly AI, and emphasize the importance of adaptive cultural policies to leverage its potential. By promoting responsible and ethical use of artificial intelligence, these initiatives can enhance access to cultural heritage, foster innovation, and create new opportunities for engagement with cultural content.